Hello, welcome to Swarupki Rasoi. Today I am going to upload a recipe for Boondi Laddu. As many of you will be knowing, Boondi Laddu is a very common sweet dish of India and it has a lot of sugar in it. I have used 25% less sugar in my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take a few almonds, walnuts and cashew nuts and chop them finely as shown in the video. You can choose the dry fruits of your choice and also vary the proportion and the amount. Gather it together and keep aside. Peel and add some cardamom seeds to it. Take some dark raisins in a pan and shallow fry them with 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee and keep aside. Chop a slice of beetroot in a cup with a little bit of water and cook it in the microwave for 1 minute and keep aside. Take 3/4 cup of sugar in a pan and add 1/4 cup of water to it. Heat it with intermittent stirring till it reaches one string consistency. Then turn off the flame and add the cardamom seeds and the chopped nuts to it. Add some cardamom and nutmeg powder and mix it well. Take 1 cup of gram flour in a bowl and add water little at a time to form a smooth paste of pouring consistency. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Then add the beetroot water that you have prepared in the microwave little at a time to reach the desired color and keep aside. Heat some oil in a pan and pour some gram flour mixture you have prepared to see if the oil is sufficiently hot. It should come up quickly and not dark brown. Then take a round sieve with small round holes. Pour the gram flour mixture in it and move the sieve around. You can spread it with the spoon to make the bundis fall in round shape in the hot oil. Once the bundi is well fried, remove it with a sieve, draining all the oil. Put it directly in the hot syrup that you have prepared. Then add the fried dark raisins along with the ghee and mix it all well together. Allow it to stand for 1 hour to absorb all the syrup. Take small portions of the mixture in your greased palm and roll it round to form a round shape or laddu. Once you have completed rolling all of it, transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the relatively healthy Boondi Laddu.